Alright guys, you saw the intro, so you know what that means. This is my first ever Vlogmas. Now, I'm a little bit late to the game, I know, because I wanted to start on December 1st, but yeah, this week has been finals week, and so I've kind of had to delay everything about a week and a half. For those of you that don't know, Vlogmas is where you upload every single day from the beginning of December all the way until Christmas. So I'm a little bit late to the game, but I'm gonna be vlogging from now until December 25th. And I'm actually recording this a couple days in advance, so that way, like, I'll probably finish Vlogmas on like the 22nd, and then the videos will keep coming out when I'm back home with my family, but you get the idea. So as promised in the last video, today's video is gonna be about test fitting the GT350 bumper on the Mustang. I've been wanting to do this for like a month. I've had it just sitting there. And trust me, it sucks just as much for me as it does for you guys just waiting for this video. But before we get into that, I actually have a Christmas surprise for you guys. It's a box. Oh wow, okay. I don't want to give too many spoilers. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this now. Okay, that was like the most ridiculous thing I've ever done. Cut. Anyway, this is my Christmas gift to all of you. I tried to think of something that I could give away that was gonna be kind of a universal thing, but also not a piece of junk. I wasn't just gonna give you guys like a phone holder or something stupid like that. So I went on Amazon and I bought this Meguiar's car wash and wax kit. It comes with a nice bucket, a microfiber wash mitt, the wash and wax soap. That stuff is actually really good. We used to use that at the car dealership that I worked at, and that stuff cleans really good. It also comes with interior wipes, tire coating, the quick wax, which is awesome for like if you got a car meet coming up and you just want to like get some quick little buff on the car, just make it look a little bit shiny for those night lights, it'll look good. Some microfiber and wash towels, and then it comes with glass cleaner too, which is awesome. I'm not sure if this is alcohol based. I don't think it is. It might be. I'm not sure. These ones didn't come in their own little bag, and then this one's like saran wrapped, and that one's got like, I don't know what's going on here. This isn't sponsored or anything. This is just my way of giving back to you guys because you guys have been supporting the channel like crazy recently, and I owe this all to you guys because pretty soon this channel will be monetized, which is just amazing. It's just gonna make crazy things like that possible, and I can't wait to share more of it with you guys because I've just been having so much fun, even not even getting paid to do any of this. I just love making YouTube videos, and the community that we've been building on this channel is so fun to interact with, and I'm really grateful for all you guys. And depending on how this year goes, I really hope that maybe I can do something like this again next year, maybe on a larger scale. But for right now, this is the best I can do. I'm a little bit of a broke college kid, but I wanted to do something for all you guys. So to enter this giveaway, it's really simple. You don't have to buy anything or sell your soul, nothing like that. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and then go to this Instagram post, leave a like, and post it on your story. And that will enter you in the giveaway. Instagram will then notify me when something gets posted on your story, and I will add your username to a nice list, and I'll be deciding the winner on December 21st. And the reason why I chose to do it on the 21st is because I want to see if maybe I can get it to your house on the 25th. It might be a little bit late, but I'm hoping to get it to the winner before the 31st at least. So I'll be picking the winner on the 21st. That means that by the time this video goes live, you guys have 9 days to enter this giveaway. So best of luck, and let's move on to the next part of the video. Those of you that watched the last video will remember the tragic tale of my front splitter here. This is actually gonna get fixed because when this goes off to paint, I'm gonna have to run this bumper for a while still, and I like it too. I mean, I might not always want to run this bumper, so I am gonna hold on to that bumper in case I ever want to run this look again, because this is not a bad look. I do like it, but I want to try something new, but I am gonna be holding on to this. So luckily for me, since it's already off the car, that's like the first step of removing this bumper is actually removing the splitter. So that's already out of the way, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pop this bumper off and then start test fitting this bad boy. Okay, so I've got the front bumper off now. There's a couple little things I want to make note of real quick. So this new bumper doesn't have any holes. So as you can see, the stock bumper has holes right here for the fittings. This one does not. The stock bumper has holes right here. This one does not. So I thought that the width was going to be good, but now that I'm looking at this looks like it's a bit wider than this. So I'm worried that there might not be enough fiberglass here to just drill a hole, in which case I might have to make some custom brackets. But I hope that's not the case, because I really hope that I can just drill some holes in that bumper and get it to fit up nicely. That might just not be the reality. But either way, I'm gonna go ahead, move this aside, and then I'm gonna mock up the new front bumper. Okay, I know better than to be making myself do cool edits like that when I have to upload every day, but I finally got the bumper on, and I've had it on here for a little bit, and I've honestly just been sitting here staring at this because it looks so good. Like, I can't even express in words how cool that looks. It's not all sunshine and rainbows because there are a couple imperfections, I guess, with this bumper. So if you look closely, you can see that like there's some little molding inconsistencies from when this bumper was made. So this obviously needs to be a straight line, and yeah, there's a bit of a gap right there. This little side doesn't line up perfectly, and the whole bumper just in general needs to be sanded. I mean, there's little things like this and little water falling bits of fiberglass, and it just needs to be made 100% perfect. Like, this is a solid 65% maybe. Like you can see, this is kind of rounding off. I want that to be like as flush as I can get it. On the driver's side, the headlight looks a little bit better. Like, this is a little more straight, but it still needs to be filled in back here a little bit, and there's a bit of a crack there that I'm gonna try to fill in. The fitment on this side is not quite as good, and you can see that this kind of falls down a little bit. So that's a little bit unfortunate, but it's okay. So originally Jason was gonna come down tomorrow, and we were gonna take this to a body shop and have them look at it, but I don't wanna pay them to do all of that because they're gonna take the car away for like a week, maybe more, and they're gonna charge me like several $1,000s probably to do all that. So I'm actually gonna do some digging, and I'm just gonna DIY it because I need to learn how to work with fiberglass, but I've heard that it's not too hard. I've watched B is for Build do it a few times, so I'm just gonna send it a little bit. It'll help me keep up the content for you guys, and hopefully I can do like the bulk of it in a day and then spend another day kind of sanding it and making it perfect, and then we'll take it to the body shop. I also don't want to leave the car at the body shop because, I mean, I have videos to make, you know, I can't just leave it sitting there for a few days. So I want to just prep it by myself, and then I'll have them paint it. We'll just drop the bumper off with them for them to paint. That way I can just keep the car here, hopefully. That's the goal. While I was removing the stock bumper, I figured out some things about these little bumper brackets. So I bought new bumper brackets, but I didn't realize that this bumper bracket, one of the threads is actually just completely broken off. I guess it just rusted out. So this is no good. The one on the driver's side is a bit better, but this one was like stuck in there, so I'm pretty sure these threads are just rusty and old and crappy. So I have new bumper brackets, and I'm not even sure about the fitment yet and whether or not those bumper brackets will work for this bumper. So I'm probably gonna do some more diagnosing with that in the next episode. But I really wanted to just go ahead and put this on here and get a look at it because I've kind of been teasing you guys with this bumper. And I didn't want to just continue this trend of like saying I got something and then just not doing anything with it for months on end. So this is going to be the look. Obviously it's super raw, super incomplete right now, but I hope you guys like it so far. Oh, and another thing with this bumper, I had to sacrifice the GT foam that goes on top of the crash bar. So a little bit unfortunate because I liked that this piece of foam says GT on it, but sacrifices need to be made sometimes. I'm still thinking that I want to either make or maybe find someone to make me a custom front splitter because I like the splitter that this kind of comes with, but I want this car to be pretty special, and I'm thinking that I might even find a way to have the little struts that come down, but it's not gonna attach to the bumper. That'll go like straight up to the chassis. But I want to have like some sort of splitter that comes out just a little bit. It'll probably be flush with the splitter down here, but then I might keep this little gap right here because I want it to be perfectly flat. I think it might look a little bit strange if the splitter underneath this splitter curved with that one. It just kind of looks like a double chin on the front of the car. I don't know, and it already kind of has a little bit of a double chin, so I kind of just want something that's sleek and comes straight out from here, And I think that would look pretty cool, but not too far. I mean, I've seen some people with splitters that are like 5 inches long, and that's a little too much, but maybe like an extra 2 or 3 inches out the front. I think it might look pretty crisp, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, the splitter on here is gonna work for a while as it is, but I'm always open to new ideas, so just let me know. Also, this grill, the grills that came on this bumper, they've got to go. I'm gonna order some new mesh that's gonna be hexagonal because the GT350 has a hexagon grill, and I'm not a big fan of the diamond grill. I also don't like that it's made out of expanded metal, and I want it to have like a perfect right angle with this. It's kind of bent. You'll see what I mean in a future upload, but that grill is not staying, so don't worry. That's not gonna be on there for very long. I'm also gonna expand the grill over so it'll fill in this area over here, and I'm gonna have to do some trimming to make it perfectly straight. So there's a lot of work cut out for me on this bumper. All the sanding, the grills, possibly a splitter, adding more to it so that way it fills in these gaps. So I definitely have my work cut out for me for Vlogmas, but that's kind of what I wanted. I wanted a big project because I need a lot of videos. As much as I love the way this looks, I am gonna go ahead and just pull it back off for tonight, and then tomorrow morning I'll come out here and kind of work on it again and mock it up again. But for now, I'm just gonna have to pull it back off because I can't leave this outside. I think that's actually gonna wrap up today's video. Tomorrow, first thing I'm gonna get up and figure out what I need to kind of fill in the bumper a little bit and kind of maybe teach myself how to do that. I'm a little bit nervous, but I guess that's just the Vlogmas spirit. You never know what's gonna happen. If you guys like today's video, make sure you leave a like down below. And also enter the giveaway, please. I'm gonna be picking the winner on December 21st. So head over to Instagram and enter the giveaway because, I mean, I need to give it to one of you. I mean, you got 9 days. So if you're seeing this anytime soon, make sure you guys go and enter that giveaway. And let me know what you think about this bumper. I think it's pretty sick. It's gonna be a lot of work. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out and dream big.